You think God has forgotten. God has not. But you can also be in a place where you ask God to remember you. Now, God remembering is not that God forgot you. You're asking God to stand in action. You're calling God to come to action, to begin to do those things that He promised you. We sang it today. Has He not said it? Will He not do it? He is God. So we're going to call on the name of the Lord, and we're going to ask Him, Father, I need you to fulfill these things that you've promised me. Many people are looking for jobs. I know it. The economy is not economy. But I know a God who can give you a job that you did not apply for. I mean, we had a testimony about that recently in the last couple of weeks. Somebody got a job they did not even apply for. How did they get your resume? Child of God, you need to believe in the power of God and His ability to work in the spiritual realm. Don't be limited by your physical eyes.